TRAW stock analysis and price predictions for Traws Pharma stock. Is this thing a buy or not? Which is brief and short 1 minute video till the end. Find out. The first thing that I'll tell you here is that it's a bearish range, solid bearish range. Even when it was pumping, I believe when I made the video here, from what it seems like, I was looking to take it down if I saw a double break, something similar, and yeah, that's where we're now. Now if I come here, I also got no receipts in the Discord, which is kind of strange, but if I even remove this and just be like, okay, let's have clarity, only thing that's going to be bearish for me is going to be if I see double break beneath these lows, and that's still the thing that I will stick to. You know what I mean? Not just this high time from drawing, just this actual rule set system. And now if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then yeah, just click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.